Hey everyone, Chipper from PocketPro here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add keys to your key organizer. Now this tutorial will work for pretty much any key organizer, but it's especially relevant if you're using one of our PocketPro Key Organizers. Before we begin, if you have not yet heard of PocketPro, we make the best, the safest, the most durable key organizers on the market. You can visit our website by going to PocketProKeys.com or click on the link in the video description right below. Now, let's begin. Alright, so this is everything you will need to add your keys to your PocketPro. No need for tools, all you need is a penny, your regular keychain attachments, and your keys. And that's it. First, we're going to cut open the PocketPro. And if you just kind of bend it there on the ends, it'll pop open in the middle and you can just pull down. This is your instruction sheet. I can open it here. And over here on this edge, in the corner, is a little pocket that's holding the spacers for the PocketPro. So we'll take those out and set them on the side, make sure we don't lose them. And then here you have the PocketPro. It's pre-assembled, has the screws in, has the washers already in there, as well as an attachment to attach to a fob or keychain. So we'll take this apart. The screws come pretty loose, so you just start twisting it with your finger. I like to use my thumb as I twist, and it just comes out pretty easy. And dump out the washers. Don't want to lose those either, so we'll just slide them over here next to the spacing bars. And we'll do the same with this side. I only carry about 5 keys at a time, so I won't be using all 16 available slots on the PocketPro. If you happen to carry more than 5 keys, maybe you carry 10, 15, 16, in order to add more keys, all you'll need to do is take these larger spacing bars and screw them directly into, screw them directly into the smaller ones that are pre-installed, and you'll be able to fit more keys on there. But for this tutorial, I'm just going to show you how to add 5 keys. First, I'll take one washer and put it here over the spacing bar, and then I'll add a key right on top of that. The washer will allow the key to freely move instead of grinding against the metal. Add another washer onto that key, add another key on top, one more washer, one more key. Slide these keys around so that they're resting more flat on the surface. I'll add one more washer, and then I'll take the faceplate and lay it on top and grab a screw and put it in there. And then I'll just slide that over so that I can work on this other side. Now on this other side, I want to add the keychain attachment. So I'll put one washer on there. Then I'll add my keychain attachment, put on another washer, add on a key, another washer, and another key. Slide those over. One final washer, and rotate this back around. Now in order to tighten these, all you have to do is take a penny and treat it like a screwdriver. That side's tight. That side's tight. There we have it. The last thing to do is add our car fob to our PocketPro. So all you're going to do is open up that ring, slide the attachment through there, Rotate the ring until it is attached. And there you have it, ready to go. If you happen to find this video and you don't yet have a PocketPro Key Organizer, you're missing out. There's a better way to carry your keys. Make sure to visit our store at PocketProKeys.com or click on the link in the description of this video right below. Thanks.